Congratulations, new parents. Bringing a baby home is an incredible journey. But if you're living in a cozy apartment, one big question might be keeping you up at night. Where will my baby sleep? You're not alone in this concern. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll have a practical, space-saving solution that will bring peace of mind to your home. Apartment living offers so many benefits, but when a new little one arrives, space suddenly feels like a luxury. You want your baby close, safe, and sound, but a full-sized crib might seem impossible. It's easy to feel overwhelmed trying to balance safety guidelines with your home's limitations. Here's the good news. There's a fantastic, tried-and-true solution that's perfect for small spaces. We're talking about the baby bassinet. These aren't just miniature cribs. They are specifically designed with apartment dwellers and new parents in mind. They offer a safe, snug sleeping environment without demanding extensive floor space. Think compact, think foldable, think portable. Modern bassinets are engineered to fit snugly beside your bed, in a corner, or even in a small nursery room. Many models fold down easily, allowing you to reclaim your space during the day or store it away when not in use. This flexibility is a game changer for apartment living. Bassinets aren't just about fitting into tight spots. They also promote safe sleep practices by keeping your baby close to you. This proximity is wonderful for nighttime feedings and comforting, fostering that crucial bond. They provide a secure, dedicated sleep area for your newborn, giving you one less thing to worry about. So, if you're wondering where your baby will sleep in your small apartment, a compact, foldable bassinet is your answer. It's a practical, safe, and incredibly convenient solution that adapts to your living situation. You can create a perfect, cozy sleep haven for your little one, even in the smallest of spaces. Help our channel grow. Please like, share, and subscribe for baby bassinets, baby development milestones, and parenting tips.